Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to cancel your HungryPanda membership. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to cancel your HungryPanda membership, all you can do is simply tap open your HungryPanda app first. So once you open it, you will be now redirected to the official homepage of HungryPanda. So once you're in the home page, you need to get signed up into your account where you have taken your membership in. To make things clear, to cancel your HungryPanda membership, you must have your membership get expired. Without having it get expired, you cannot cancel it. If you are a HungryPanda member and if you do not renew your membership after it gets expired, it will automatically be cancelled by HungryPanda. However, if you are a member and your membership is valid, you cannot cancel it until the validity is over. So this is how you can cancel your membership in HungryPanda. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos. Thank you for watching.